It is not easy to get a sweat loss value on the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. In the other functions like SpO2 and BP, you can get a score by tapping on the measure button, but here you have to achieve targets to see the results. For sweat loss value, you have to run for 2.5 km at the speed of 5 km per hour. Also, automatic heart rate and GPS function should be activated to measure the heart rate condition and running distance. Hello guys, my name is Madhav and welcome to my YouTube channel Wearable Help. In this video, we will learn how to activate sweat loss value on your Galaxy Watch 4 and also we will learn how to use it. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. First, start running activity. For now, the new function only works with running activities. You can start running from the workout list from the smartwatch or just start running as it is an automatic detected workout mode. So, start running. Second, follow all the rules and run. Yes, to get the final results, you have to run by achieving all the rules. For this, make sure you run for a minimum 2.5 km with a speed of 5 km per hour. Also, make sure the GPS function is on and the watch is tracking your heart rate. Third, finish the workout. When you run for at least 2.5 km, then you can stop running. To finish a workout, you can use the back button and then tap on the finish button option. Or just wait for a few seconds to let the smartwatch automatically finish it for you. 4. Open workout data. You can open your recent running history on the same tab when you finish the activity or go to the Samsung Health app. In the Samsung Health app, you can see the history of all your performed activity and their scores. Open running activity score to see the sweat loss results. 5. Slide down to the sweat loss results. In a detailed score of running, you get the VO2 max score, heart rate data, time, distance, speed, route back and the new sweat loss data. 6. Follow the instruction given by sweat loss measurement. The main purpose of the sweat loss function is to provide how much moisture you have spent during your running session. After measuring your sweat, it will suggest you how much water you should drink to recover your body. These are the steps to get moisture loss data on the new Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. The function is in the early stage and it is not for medical purposes. So use it for your personal use and don't drink water only drink water according to your need. Thanks for watching it friends. If you like this video then please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.